What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. So these are the top 5 first essential mods for your car, okay? So before you do anything to your car, before you do any mods, do these 5 mods first, okay? Let's do it. Okay, so the Supra is here. Sorry that it's a little bit dirty, but the first modification is window tinting. Okay, this is the best first essential mod that you have to do to your car. Window tinting. The window tint will protect the interior of your car and also will protect you from the UV rays. Okay, so get what is it called? Ceramic window tint. That one is the best one. Okay, so all the links for these mods, they're gonna be in the description of the video down below. So the first one, window tint. Okay, modification number 2 or part number 2 for your car, your vehicle. And for the second mod or part are floor mats, rubber mats for your car. This is great, and the rubber mat will protect your car, your interior of your car, and your carpet. Okay, get the ones that are in your budget. I got the WeatherTech because these are amazing and I love them. So the modification number 2 is floor mats, rubber floor mats. Okay, and the third one is a dash cam. Okay, as you can see, I have this dash cam in there. This one is amazing, and also I'm getting a better one. Okay, but get the one that's in your budget again. This is a 3-channel dash cam. It has 1 camera, 2 and 3, 1 on the back. Okay, but you don't need to get a 3-channel camera. If you have only with one channel, it's fine, or 2 channels is good. But if you get a 3-channel camera like me, it's better. Okay, but always get a dash cam because this one will help you in a case of an accident. You can get the file and give it to the police officer in case it's not your fault. Okay, or you can take it to the court, the file, the video. All right. So the number 3, dash cam. Okay, and the 4th part, essential part or mod to your vehicle or car is clear bra, clear protection. My car has the clear still under here and in here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. So the whole front has a clear protection. Okay, this is great to protect the paint because the rock chips on the front of the bumper, they are bad, and to paint the bumper is very expensive. So this one is an amazing mod for your car or modification for any car, truck and car, SUV, anything. Get the clear paint protection like this one. You can see it there. Yeah. So the 4th one, clear bra for the front, only for the front. You don't need to do the whole car, only for the front. Okay, that is great and will protect the paint of your car. Those rock chips are bad and I hate them. Okay, so get the clear bra for your car. That's the modification number 4. Okay, and the 5th one and last modification is LED lighting. For this car already comes with the LED on the tail lights and the headlights and the interior. But on my first Corolla, when I when it came when I bought it, it came with a yellow light, so I hate it. But I already on that one I upgraded to LEDs, and the view it was better. Even for the tail lights, these ones are already LEDs, but on my Corolla I replaced them to LED, and it looked great. And also I upgrade the interior on my Corolla to LED. This one is already LED, but it's still dim. I wish I could change it and upgrade it. Okay, but the fifth and very important, LED lighting for the headlights, tail lights, and the interior. Okay. Fifth one, LED lighting. Okay guys, those are the top 5 first essential mods for your vehicle. But let me know what you guys think on the comments, and let me know your top 5 first essential mods that you have on your car. Put in the comments, okay? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and share the video with your friends, okay? Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.